After about 2 to 3 years of my marriage and my son, I conceived and I was, I became a mother. It still was there at the back of my head. You know what? I miss alcohol. When will I start drinking again? That should have been the red flag first. That, oh, she is not looking after the kid. She's more interested in when are we going out for dinner to have alcohol. A stage came where then everything around me, around me revolved around alcohol. Whether making plans, movies, going out for dinner, anything. So that was where my real addiction started. I have to say this, that I did not recognize it. I did not see that, there was huge denial when it comes to me. And that's part of addiction. Today, when I look back, I can say it was complete denial. College time or even otherwise, I had a good capacity and to drink, and at the same time it was going well. I mean, there were no problems. Yes, I was losing weight, but then family did not think much. So it kept going on like that with the tag of good capacity, that Gauri has good capacity to drink. Today I look back and say the first sign was me getting alcohol from the market at home and drinking alone, middle of the afternoon. So that's how I started, and I said, oh, you know what, today I'm getting bored, let me go to the market, gave an excuse that I'm going to the parlor, and I got a bottle of Bacardi, kept it in my drawer, and I said, okay, let me just have 2 drinks today at home for no reason. That should have been my red flag. My husband, he started seeing empty bottles around. So he noticed that, where are these bottles coming from, or why is alcohol getting, missed, or someone is consuming a thing at home. So that was another sign. So when that awakening came to my husband, that, oh yeah, she's sleeping a lot in the afternoon, or there is a stinking smell coming, then he started noticing. He started confronting me there. But like me, I was like, okay, oh yeah, my friend came and we consumed, I forgot to keep the bottle outside. So that also went on. Imagine that I had to go out for dinner for a friend's party, and all my friends knew I was a heavy drinker. I had a good capacity. But there were times when now hiding and drinking became a big thing for me. That was my priority that time. So even if I knew that I will be getting alcohol at the party, I would have my 2-3 fix. Fast and get ready and go there, and after 2 drinks there I would pass out. So everybody started wondering, why is that happening? Why is she sleeping or getting passed out at a party, husband, or throwing up? So then like that my husband got very disturbed, and he approached my parents and started telling them, my brother especially, that I'm seeing a different change. I can see the smell, or she's sleeping a lot, missing picking up my son from school. So that was big.